They call me Mr. Tubbs. Folks, the show ain't even started yet. Alright folks, show hasn't even started yet. There's been a fire and it was put out by beer. Alright, this is Tubbs Esq, and let me get this straight. Monster truck rally. They come into a nice, well-done arena like this. Nice polished floor, and then they bring dirt in. They bring dirt in and they cover up the floor with dirt. And then not only that, they paint the dirt. And they think I'm crazy. Tubbs Esq, and I'm here at the Traxxas Monster Truck event. I've never been to one of these before, and I've never seen a more disreputable bunch of guys since the last wrestling locker room I've been at. I don't think he realizes I'm trying to talk here. I don't know if this thing behind me is a truck or if it's gonna eat me.
This line here, this is for people. Hey little girl, mind your own business. This is for people who get to ride on the monster truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if they'll let me have a ride real quick. Hey, are they giving away free stuff? Hey, I want free stuff! Over here! Look over here! Come on, man! No, they don't deserve anything! Come on! They don't deserve anything either! I do! Give it here! Come on! Seriously?
This place has been taken over by Transformers.
Die, Autobot scum! All hail mighty Megatron! Whoa! Decepticons, retreat! Oh, nice jump! Alright, well I've had one heck of a time here. We're almost to the end of this show. This is Tubbs Esq. Oh, that's a good one too. Tubbs Esq. Now that's money.